Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see no such column business hours on entity case exception in Salesforce. This exception is thrown because there is no column or field with the API name business hours. So that is the reason it is throwing this exception. If you look at the case object reference, the API name is business hours ID. It is not business hours. For example, if I use business hours in the SOQL, it will throw this error. But if I use business hours ID, then it should not throw an error. Yeah, I think I have to give field level security. Because even if I don't give field level security, I will run into the same issue. So I will be able to get the business hours ID. If I can also use business hours dot name, but we should not use just business hours. If we give that name as business hours, then we will get this no such column business hours on entity case. If you go to object manager, if you select case, if you select the field business hours, the field name, which is the API name, it is showing as business hours. So many people will get this field name and then they will write the query. But the thing is, if you go back here, then it will display the correct API name, business hours ID. I have seen many people getting the name from here and running into this no such column business hours on entity case object. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.